and the beers in the air.
It takes Samuel 8 seconds to fall. His acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. In order to find his velocity, we have to multiply the acceleration due to gravity with the time it takes him to fall. That would be 9.8 meters per second squared times 8 seconds. By doing this, we get 78.4 meters per second as his velocity, which could also be written as 175.37 miles per hour. To calculate the force that he experiences when Sasha stops his fall, we use the equation F equals ma. Samuel has a mass of 70 kilograms, so we multiply that times 9.8 meters per second squared, and we get 686 newtons. That means that Sasha would have to exert a force larger than this on Samuel's calf in order to stop his fall.
やはりいつもみたいに冷静じゃない。動揺を行動で消そうとしている。このままじゃいつで。
It takes Mikasa 4 seconds to fall, and her acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. In order to find her velocity, we have to multiply the acceleration due to gravity by the time it takes her to fall. That would be 9.8 meters per second squared times 4 seconds. This gives us 39.2 meters per second, or 87.68 miles per hour. In order to find the force she experiences when she hits the roof, we can use the equation F equals ma. Mikasa has a mass of 68 kilograms, so we can multiply that by 9.8 meters per second, and we get 72 newtons of force. It takes Levi 3 seconds to reach the Titan. His acceleration is 75 meters per second squared, which is the maximum speed of the 3D maneuvering gear. In order to find his velocity, we can take his acceleration and multiply it by the time. This would be 75 meters per second squared times 3, which would give us 225 meters per second, or 503.31 miles per hour. In order to find the force he experiences when he hits the Titan, we can use the equation F equals ma. Levi has a mass of 70 kilograms, so we can multiply that by 75 meters per second squared, which gives us 4,900 newtons of force. Attack on Titan is an anime that imagines a world in which all of mankind lives behind towering walls to protect themselves from the threat that resides outside. The world is plagued by Titans, giant monsters with a taste for human flesh. While the premise isn't all that realistic, all of the characters examined in this video are human, which means that most of them could not survive these scenes.